weakness. My success, my failure is only depends on my morning routine. If I can't wake up in the morning, I'm failed. So inshallah you'll find me doing good. Inshallah, until the day is over, I will be left in this place. I will do each and every possible way to do that.
It's the new class,
I don't think it's talk a lot, right? So
Road is not good, man.
why?
Not sleepy yet.
That's not the main point. That's the main point. That's what they have.
Yeah.
Just take sense somewhere.
Now tell me where.
Straight. I know from here.
So you know now?
Yeah. You can play sometimes. And if I would be having a kid who is interested in cricket, I will make him reach international level. You know Sarfaraz from India? He just got his debut in cricket. His father is his coach. His father couldn't play for India because of some reason. Then he fulfilled his dream through his kid. His kid is also interested, that's the thing. So now his son is now he has another son. He is also gonna make a debut. This car is so big, man. It's normal for
Did you see? Why he was doing? He thought probably this is road. If you have
10 years old.
here go.
Yeah. Try from middle where you are.
Where? Lot of the car is not a problem. Is start there. Not this is not the line. If the car is so low level. We are not there. We can keep it there, right? The car.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. I always come here.
Your friend is putting here.
Yeah, we put it over there.
Oh, okay.
But here is also fine.
Okay. That's good. Let's go. Oh, gun.